So this video is going to be on how to clean your eyeshadow palette. As you can see, very gross. All you're going to need is something round. So I chose my Jeffree Star highlight and a makeup wipe. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your makeup wipe, you're gonna wrap it around this. So you're just gonna take it in this hand, take this one, kind of just go like this and wrap it around so you have something like this, and so you can just hold it in the back. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your eyeshadow palette that you have here, and I'm kind of gonna raise it so you guys can see it better. You're just going to go across, back and forth, cleaning between the eyeshadow shades. No, it does not touch any of the colors, so you are safe to do this, and I will show you none of the shades are wet. And as you can see, it is working. Towards the end, it's going to look like this. The palette will never fully be clean because it's years old, but it's looking way better, and as you can see, very gross, and none of the shadows were touched or got wet, and you can see that they're all still dry. So there you have it. I don't know about the outside, so I'm gonna give that a whirl just with a regular one. And now this is what it looks like. Obviously this looks way cleaner than it was before, so I'm super excited. And the back has like the shades, but I don't know if I'll be able to get this off either because I've tried scrubbing this, but we're gonna give it a shot. And now this is the back and the front. And after cleaning all of that, these are the two rags.